Did you know that by 2030, the global AI market is expected to be worth over $190 billion? That's a staggering opportunity, and it's one you could tap into right now. If you're asking yourself, how can I use AI to make money? You're in the right place. This video is part 3 of our series on how to make money with AI, and today, we're diving deep into choosing the right AI money-making strategy for you. Now, before we get started, a quick disclaimer. This content is for educational purposes only. While we'll discuss a variety of apps, products, and services, please consult a certified financial professional for personalized advice. AI is everywhere, from self-driving cars to virtual assistants, and now it's transforming the way people earn money. But with so many AI opportunities out there, how do you choose the right one for your unique situation? The answer lies in understanding your goals, resources, and risk tolerance. Let's break it down. First, let's talk about identifying your strengths and interests. Do you have a knack for writing, programming, or design? Maybe you're an entrepreneur at heart or a seasoned investor. AI money-making strategies can fall into various categories, so you'll want to select one that aligns with your skills. For example, if you're tech-savvy, you might dive into AI programming or developing applications. On the other hand, if you're more of a creative thinker, you might explore opportunities in AI-generated art or content creation. Take a look at the types of strategies available. There's no one-size-fits-all. Next up, evaluate the financial commitment involved. Some AI strategies require a significant upfront investment, while others are more accessible. Let's take AI-driven investing, for example. With AI platforms like robo-advisors, you can have your portfolio automatically managed, often for a low fee. However, platforms that focus on more sophisticated trading algorithms may require a larger capital investment or a higher level of expertise. For those just starting, tools that offer passive income like AI-generated content can be a great entry point. Speaking of AI-generated content, let's zoom in on the power of automation. Tools like Jasper, an AI writing assistant, can help you create articles, social media posts, and even books. Think of it as a money-making machine that works 24/7. A great example of this comes from Olivia, a freelancer who started using Jasper for content creation. In just 6 months, she was able to scale her business, earning $10,000 more than she had the previous year. The key? Automation. Whether it's social media posts, blog content, or even email marketing, AI can help you produce content faster and more efficiently than ever before. But what about investing in AI stocks or cryptocurrencies? This is a higher risk strategy, but it can also bring significant rewards. With platforms like eToro or Robinhood, you can invest in AI companies or AI-focused cryptocurrencies like SingularityNet. The financial backing for AI companies is growing rapidly, and AI has the potential to revolutionize entire industries. However, as with all investments, there are risks involved, so always assess your risk tolerance and consider a diversified portfolio. Remember, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about understanding the market trends, staying informed, and making strategic investments over time. For those who are interested in AI as a service, this can be an excellent business opportunity. Companies like Amazon Web Services, AWS, and Google Cloud offer AI tools that small businesses can leverage to boost productivity. If you're an entrepreneur or someone looking to build a side hustle, offering AI-powered services like data analytics or automation consulting can be a profitable venture. Take Henry, for example. He created a small business offering automated customer service chatbots to e-commerce stores. In just 1 year, he scaled his business into a 6-figure operation. His secret? He recognized the growing demand for AI solutions and seized the opportunity. But no matter which strategy you choose, the key is risk management. AI can be a powerful tool for making money, but it's important to approach it with caution and due diligence. Diversify your strategies, keep learning, and don't put all your eggs in one basket. As you would with any investment, make sure to continuously assess your portfolio and adjust accordingly. So what's the best AI strategy for you? It depends on your skills, interests, and willingness to invest time and money. Whether you're looking to create AI-driven content, trade stocks, or invest in AI businesses, there are countless opportunities out there. Which strategy are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, hit like and make sure to subscribe for more deep dives into AI, investing, and making money smartly. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. If you're ready to level up your financial game, this next video will show you how to start building a passive income stream using AI. Don't miss it. Click now.